Hello student, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of math teacher from Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to start exercise 7C, chapter lines and angles of class 9 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So, students, today I am going to discuss the topic parallel lines, solve some theorems related to parallel lines. So first of all, what is parallel lines? What is parallel line? So students, if two lines lie in the same plane, अगर दो लाइन सेम प्लेन में लाई करता है, यानी एक ही प्लेन में, जैसे हमारा जो है वो व्हाइट बोर्ड है, ये एक प्रकार का प्लेन है और ये दोनों लाइन एल और एम जो है वो इसी प्लेन पर क्या कर रहा है, लाई कर रहा है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंडीशन नंबर फर्स्ट की, इफ यदि टू लाइंस लाई इन द सेम प्लेन, अगर दो लाइन किसी सेम प्लेन में लाई करता हो एंड डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट व्हेन प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन आइदर साइड, इट मीन्स अगर हम इस दोनों लाइन को इस साइड में अगर प्रोड्यूस करें या इस साइड में प्रोड्यूस करें, इधर भी प्रोड्यूस कर दे इधर, तो दोनों साइड में, आइदर साइड में अगर हम दोनों लाइन को प्रोड्यूस करें तो ये दोनों लाइन कभी भी एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करें. डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट व्हेन प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन आइदर साइड. ओके, देन तब such lines are said to be parallel to each other. तब हम कहेंगे कि ये जो लाइन है वो एक दूसरे के पैरेलल है. एंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द बोथ लाइन्स आर ऑलवेज सेम. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द बोथ लाइन्स आर ऑलवेज सेम. अगर ये दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस यहाँ पे अगर 5 मीटर है तो बढ़ाने के बाद कहीं भी अगर जाए तो दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस हमेशा क्या हो, 5 मीटर ही होना चाहिए. ओके, सो we say that the such lines are said to be parallel to each other. Okay, then next term is transversal. What is transversal? When a line AB and CD are two parallel lines and cut by a transversal T. A straight line cut the two straight lines at the two distinct point. Two or more straight lines cut at the distinct point. This is called the transversal. Okay. So students, two parallel lines. If two parallel lines cut by a transversal, then 8 angles are formed. So this is angle 1. This is angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. If two parallel lines AB and CD are the two parallel lines cut by a transversal T, then how many angles are formed? There are 8 angles are formed. Okay, and the 3 kinds of angles. So first is corresponding angles. And second is alternate interior angles. And third is co-interior angles मतलब conjugative interior angles. It means conjugative interior angles. So what is the corresponding angle? Alternate interior angles and co-interior angles. So students, when two parallel lines cut by a transversal T, then 3 kinds of angles are formed. First is corresponding angles, second is alternate interior angles and third is co-interior angles. So angle 1, angle 5. First is corresponding angles. So the pair of angle 1, angle 5 angle 2 angle fix, angle 3 angle 7, angle 4 angle 8. So 4 pairs of angles are corresponding angles. 1 5, 2 6, 3 7 and 4 8 are the corresponding angles, and the corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal when two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Then the pair of corresponding angles are always equals. So we write कि angle 1 equal to angle 5, angle 2 equal to angle 6, angle 3 equal to angle 7 and angle 4 equal to angle 8. So all pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Okay, and next is alternate interior angles. Next is alternate interior angles. Alternate इंटीरियर का मतलब है कि दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस के अंदर का एंगल. तो अंदर में 3 4 5 6 4 एंगल्स फॉर्म हो रहे हैं. 3 4 5 एंड 6. तो 3 and 5 is the conjugative interior angles. Okay, but 3 and 6 is the alternate interior angle. So two pair of alternate interior angles are formed when two parallel lines cut by a transversal. So angle 3 angle 6 and angle 4 angle 5. Okay, two pair of alternate interior angles are formed when two parallel lines cut by a transversal. So 3 fixed, angle 3 and angle 6 are the pair of alternate interior angles. Angle 4 and angle 5 are the pair of alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are equal. The pair of alternate interior angles are equal when the two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Then we say that the pair of alternate interior angles are always equal. So angle 3 equal to angle 6 and angle 4 equal to angle 5. Okay, so alternate interior angles are equal. Next is co-interior angles. Students, when two parallel lines cut by a transversal, then two pair of co-interior angles are formed. Angle 3 5 and angle 4 6. Angle 3 comma angle 5 and angle 4 comma angle 6. Two pair of co-interior angle, that is the conjugative interior angles are formed. Okay, and the sum of conjugative interior angles are supplementary, that is 180 degree. So angle 3 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. Okay, so we say that when two parallel lines cut by a transversal, then sum of the co-interior angles is 180 degree. Okay, so 3 plus 5 equal to 180 degree and 4 plus 6 equal to 180 degree. Okay, so students, when two parallel lines cut by a transversal, three kinds of angles are formed. First is corresponding angles, second is alternate interior angles, or third is conjugative interior angles. So corresponding angles are equal, always equal when two parallel lines cut by a transversal, and alternate interior angles are also equal, and the conjugative interior angle, the sum of the pair of conjugative interior angles is 180 degree. Okay, students, let's start theorem related to parallel lines. So our first theorem is theorem number first. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then alternate angles of each pair of interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. So when two parallel lines cut by a transversal, two pair of alternate interior angles are formed. Okay, I know, you know, we know, all know. So AB and CD, two parallel lines, AB and CD are two parallel lines cut by a transversal T, then two pair of cut by a transversal T at the point E and F. Okay, and two pair of alternate interior angles are formed. So angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 3, angle 5, angle 4, angle 6. To prove that कि angle 3 equal to angle 5 and angle 4 equal to angle 6. ये प्रूव करना है कि अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स जो होंगे वो आपस में क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे. ओके, सो लेट गिवन कि AB पैरेलल CD and a transversal T cuts AB at E point and the CD at F, forming two pair of alternate interior angles, namely 3, 5 and angle 4, angle 6. So to prove that the angle 3 equal to 5 and angle 4 equal to angle 6. Now let's start proof. Students, angle 1 equal to angle 3, that is the vertically opposite angles. So two lines intersect at a point, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So we write कि angle 1 equal to angle 3, that is the vertically opposite angles. Okay, and angle 1 equal to angle 5, this is the corresponding angles. When two parallel lines cut by a transversal T, then angle 1 equal to angle 5, these are corresponding angles. So angle 1 equal to angle 5 by corresponding angles. Okay, so angle 1 equal to angle 3 and angle 1 equal to angle 5, then we write कि angle 3 equal to angle 5. So first is proof, angle 3 equal to angle 5. So pair of alternate interior angles are equal, angle 3 equal to 5, and now angle 2 equal to angle 4, this is the vertically opposite angle. So angle 2 equal to angle 4. Okay, and angle 2 equal to angle 6, angle 2 equal to angle 6, this is the vertically opposite angle and this is the corresponding angles. Okay, angle 2 equal to angle 6 are the pair of the corresponding angles and corresponding angles are equal. So 2 equal to 4 and angle 2 equal to angle 6, then we write कि angle 4 equal to angle 6. Okay, so students, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then forming two pair of alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are equal. Pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, students, our next theorem is theorem number 2. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of conjugative interior angles are supplementary. Then each pair of conjugative interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary, two angles, we know that two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. Okay, so their conjugative interior angles are supplementary. So students, AB and CD are the two parallel lines cut by a transversal T, forming two pair of conjugative interior angles, namely 3, 6 and 4, 5. Okay, so given कि AB parallel CD and a transversal T cuts AB at E, AB at E and CD at F and CD at F, forming two pair of co-interior angles. Two pair of co-interior angles, namely angle 3, angle 6 and angle 4, angle 5. ये दो pair of co-interior angles are formed. Okay. So then prove that the angle 3 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree and angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Form of the co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay. So let's start proof. Student, a ray EF obtains on the line AB. Okay, a ray EF obtains on the line AB. Okay, then angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree, that is equation 1 by linear pair. Okay, and but angle 4 equal to angle 6 by alternate interior angles. So but angle 4 equal to angle 6 alternate interior angles. So angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree and angle 4 equal to angle 6. So angle 4 की जगह पर angle 6 रख देंगे इक्वेशन 1 में. So we write कि angle 3 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. First is proof from first. Okay, from equation first से 3 plus 4 की जगह पर हम लोग क्या किए 6 पुट करते हैं, क्योंकि 4 और 6 आपस में क्या है इक्वल है, तो 3 plus 6 equal to 180 degree. So first pair of co-interior angles, the sum of the first co-interior angles is supplementary and the next is second. Students, a ray EF obtains on the line CD. A ray EF obtains on the line CD. A ray EF obtains on the line CD. So angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree by linear pair. But angle 6 plus angle 5 180 degree, but angle 4 equal to angle 6. But angle 4 equal to angle 6. Alternate interior angles by alternate interior angles. And put the value of angle 6 equal to angle 4. Then we write the angle 5 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Okay, so we say that if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of conjugative interior angles are supplementary. Okay.